did the president tell you?
They give me good advice. You know, President Buhari is somebody who all of us we respect in Africa, and I keep his advice. Is why he's one of the first country I visit. We know President Buhari. We respect him a lot in Africa because he's correct man, gentleman, and Pan-Africanist is why I am here. I am his son. So don't forget, President Buhari, I can't call him President Buhari. I already tell him. I'm going to still keep calling Baba.
The president told him that he has to be inclusive, basically, and has to pursue peace, that because without that, there will be no development for the country, and that the ultimate reason for becoming a head of state is to deliver development for your people. The country has been in crisis for a long period of time. Mr. President has maintained a number of Nigerian troops there, and these Nigerian troops have maintained stability, and sometimes it looked as if it might tip over the edge, but they've maintained it. And then Mr. President was engaged throughout the process. First of all, you had legislative elections, and it looked as if those wouldn't take place, but it did. Mr. President authorized a significant sums of money for all the electoral kit, because at one time they said they couldn't hold those elections because they didn't have the materials and so forth. Mr. President provided resources for them, and so they had to go forward with that. He really shepherded them through the legislative elections. He sent me and the president of the ECOWAS Commission to Guinea-Bissau on about 4 or 5 occasions, you know, to keep everybody calm, keep all the political parties calm, moving them forward, and they kept moving forward. And then right at the very end, at one stage, it looked as if these presidential elections wouldn't take place because the incumbent president fired the prime minister who was supposed to organize the elections, and again it looked as if things would not work out. But you know, Mr. President was very engaged, and this is the result, you know, peaceful elections at the end of the day.